Hello, family and friends. Thanks for joining my sweet and savory kitchen. Today, I have this butter soft bun recipe that I want to share with you. Let's get started, and in a bowl, I have some warm milk, sugar, instant dry yeast. I've got 1 egg, salt, and softened unsalted butter so that it will be easy to mix everything together. Gently mix everything together. I'll leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Next, I have some all-purpose flour and I'll pour it in and mix it well until it forms a dough. The ingredients are so simple, you probably have everything you need to make these soft buns. Keep mixing until it forms a dough. You will notice that the dough is very soft, and to avoid kneading a very sticky dough, just leave the dough to sit for 20 minutes in the bowl uncovered. After 20 minutes, sprinkle some flour on your clean work surface and transfer the dough. The dough has become less sticky and it will help you knead easily. Continue kneading, and within 2 to 3 minutes, you will notice that the dough will become smooth. Now, to get a soft fluffy bun, I knead my dough for at least 15 minutes. However, the time for kneading may vary depending on the effort you put in, but please do not knead for less than 10 minutes. You have to knead until it's smooth, soft, and stretchy. Take a look. Now in a bowl, I'm oiling it to prevent dryness, then cover it and put it in a warm place. The best place for me is to leave it to sit in the microwave for at least an hour for it to rise and double in size. After an hour, my dough has doubled in size, as you can see, and I'm going to turn it on my work surface. I'll slightly flour my surface before turning it over. I'm stretching the dough so I can easily divide it. And for this recipe, I'll be dividing it into 15 equal pieces. The easiest way for me is to first divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. Then, divide each of these pieces into 5 equal pieces so that your bun will be as equal as possible. But also, depending on the size of the pan that you're going to use, you can divide yours into 12, 16, or 24. Next, I'll take one and then form it into a ball. Turn it over and then seal it. You can also roll it a bit more just to finish it off. And there you have a very smooth ball. Just keep repeating the same process until all the dough is done. My dough balls are all ready now, and I've placed them on a tray lined with parchment paper. I'll cover it, put it in a warm place and allow it to proof once again until it doubles in size. It normally takes about an hour, but it mostly depends on how warm the place is. It's been 1 hour and my dough balls has risen perfectly. Now I'm going to apply an egg and milk wash on top of my dough balls. This will give it a beautiful dark brown golden color. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees and will be baking for 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Please check your oven settings and adjust the temperature. It's been 18 minutes and my rolls came out perfectly. To have a golden glow, brush with some melted butter. My house smells so nice. I can't wait to show you the texture, the softness and fluffiness of this bun. I'm placing them on the cooling rack so I can show you the inside. Take a look at these beauties. So hot, but I really want to show you. Look at the softness and fluffiness of this bun. I like eating mine hot with a little bit of butter inside. So soft. I hope you give it a try and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment for me. Be kind to one another. Bye!